Hey guys, in this episode I'm gonna show you how you can start a t-shirt brand without any printer, without any machines, without even a software, by using Design Frame, which is a program that I developed and that you can buy. I will leave all the information below. And you can also make this design using AI, and I'm gonna show you step by step how I created this design. So let's begin with the tutorial. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video for more amazing content. So let's begin. Okay, so here we are on ChatGPT 4.0, and by the way, if you get the free version, you only have a limited images that you can create with ChatGPT. However, I do have the premium, or I don't know what they call this, but I have the plan which I have unlimited images. So I recommend that you guys get that if you're going to get into this business on creating or starting a t-shirt brand using AI. So let's begin. I'm gonna start with something basic. I'm gonna ask ChatGPT to make me a logo with just the phrase, and the phrase is Design Frame, which is the name of the program that I developed. But I'm gonna tell ChatGPT to make it white with embroidery effect on a black background. Now this is very important. You need to ask AI to make the logo on a black background or any color background, so that way it's easier to remove the background. So I'm gonna give it the first command. Sometimes you get it right the first time, sometimes you get it, you try many, but I just realized that I forgot to tell AI to make it vintage style. So for the next request, I'm gonna ask for vintage style because I like that style. So, but no problem, it's creating an image right now, and hopefully we get it right. Sometimes it takes a little bit longer, and we'll see what happens. And this is the first try that I got. It looks really good, but I'm gonna tell it make it vintage style with vintage font. So I'm gonna, if I don't like the second one, I will probably use this as an example, but we're gonna try again and see if it makes something better with vintage style. Design Frame. Okay, it is perfect, I think. Let's check it out. Design Frame, because sometimes it makes some misspells, but this one, it's actually perfect. I really love this design. So I'm gonna go ahead and download. So save, and it's now downloading. So now we're gonna go and use Design Frame, the program that I developed. Okay, so here we are on Design Frame, and the first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna go to Special Tools, and we're going to remove the background. And by the way, if you are interested on this program, I will leave the link below where you can buy it one time. Right now we are at version number 4, which is the most advanced. We will be adding more as we go, but right now we are at version number 4. So if you're interested on getting this program, the link will be below. Now if you want something, try it out, you can get a membership. I will also leave the link below if you don't want to buy it right away in the beginning. So let's go to background color remover, and we're gonna upload the image that we just created, which is this one, DAL-E, and here it is. Check it out, it looks really good. Now we're gonna increase a little bit of the darkness with this scroller, so that way we remove the dark color as much as we can. So we're gonna select with the color picker or the eyedropper icon and select the background. Then we're going to increase the tolerance all the way. So remove background, and now the whole background is being removed, and you can tell by the red background. That means that now the only thing that's left is the design. So now let's download this image without background, and it removed as cropped image. So let's go back to the main page, and now we're going to select and go down to the PNG editor and upload the image, crop image. Now we have, as you can see, a image with no background. So we're gonna make this a little bit bigger, and we're going to turn on the black frame so that way we get a look of the design without a background. So now we're gonna upload an image of a t-shirt that I have here somewhere, black t-shirt, and then we're gonna make it big. Of course, we're gonna select on shift and keep press and make it big. Now we're gonna make it a little bit bigger probably, and then now we're gonna send this back. So we bring the design to the front, and we're gonna double click on it and keep the shift button pressed, and we're gonna make this smaller. Okay, and we're gonna place this here. So now we have a embroidery look image here with made with AI, and this you can make this with a DTF transfer. And now let's add color to it so that way we get an idea, but actually let's make a copy. So clone one, we're gonna move it here to the side, and then we're gonna turn this a different color. I just want to check it out and see what it looks like, just like regular white background color. It looks good, but I think I like the original one, the embroidery one. For this would be better for like screen printing. You can go down and add some distress look to this PNG to make it look more like screen printing. And yes, I like it. We can try maybe like a yellow color. So let's select and go to the color picker and do yellow. It looks good. I still like it, but to be honest, I like the original one. But this, if you want to capture the embroidery look, you will have to make it a DTF or like a sublimation or something that's more digital, so that way it captures the style or the embroidery look, and it looks really good. So yeah, now I'm gonna download a sample so that way I can have for my store a sample with this design with embroidery look. So now you saw me how I commanded AI to make a design, simple design with any phrase. You can do anything like Christian t-shirts, like anything like that. You can make a lot of styles, or you can tell them to do like embroidery, gold, whatever. So you can do a lot of stuff using AI, and it is easier to start a t-shirt brand using AI. And again, if you are interested on getting this program, I will leave the link below. Thank you guys. This is it for this episode. I will see you on the next one, and make sure you like and subscribe.